Hello, everybody. This is Kimchi Crypto. Today, I'm going to talk about when for crypto market to recover. Let's dive in. Please take a look at this Bitcoin price chart, and I drew a line here around Bitcoin price around 60K. You know what this means? This is the previous all-time high of Bitcoin price. In the bear market, it is the strongest resistance price. For the last 2.5 years, it was a strong resistant price, whereas in the bull market, where when we are right now, in the bull market, this price can be the support. Psychologically, 60K is the support. Yes, the price could dip down temporarily, but I think this is the support level of Bitcoin price. What I'm saying here is this price correction and going sideways for 1.5 months or so, this is extremely natural, especially after Bitcoin halving. $60,000, the Bitcoin price could be the bottom price, not this cycle, but in the next bear market. Please note, when you take a look at the previous Bitcoin halving and price on May 11th, Bitcoin halving took place in 2020. As you can see, Bitcoin price went sideways for 11 straight weeks. And the price rose up in late July but went sideways for another month. The Bitcoin price fell by 15% again, and Bitcoin price rose up significantly since November 2020. What does this all mean? Since Bitcoin halving, the price has consolidated for went sideways for 5 to 6 months. Bitcoin price started taking off from November 2020 till April 2021. What about this one? The Bitcoin halving in 2016. Exactly on July 9th, Bitcoin halving took place. This type of price correction going sideways continued till December 2016. And even after this, the Bitcoin price has crashed 2 times, even in 2017, in Q1 2017. In the past two cycles, Bitcoins went sideways for 5 to 6 months. What I'm saying here is also please note that end of correction doesn't mean immediate banana zone. There needs some build up periods in 2017 and in 2021. Correction and going sideways for 6 months, build up for another 6 months, and banana zone is for another 6 months. In short, since each Bitcoin halving, that was why it took 1.5 years to hit the peak. Bitcoin halving date, a recent one is on April 20th this year. It's only less than 3 months has passed since the recent Bitcoin halving date. So recent Bitcoin and altcoin, those price corrections and going sideways was extremely natural. Banana zone will start from the end of this year or Q1 next year. Please also note that in 2017, there were 5 to 6 Bitcoin price crashes of more than 30%. In May 2021, in the bull season, there was huge Bitcoin price crash of more than 58%, which was a huge crash. Please also note that Bitwise, one of those ETF issuers, they say SEC is open to Solana ETF after Ethereum launch. Bitwise is likely to submit Solana spot ETF applications after VanEck and 21 shares. I assume in several weeks, BlackRock and Fidelity will do the same. Just think about all the threats, the recent threats orchestrated by the German government, SEC, Mt. Gox, SAP 121, and those altcoin threats. Why? Orchestrated attacks on those altcoins, especially blue chip altcoins. Please remember that Wall Street guys want to acquire and steal your blue chip altcoins as well as Bitcoins. And blue chip altcoins will pump like crazy from the second half of this year. Be patient, don't panic sell. If possible, just buy the dip. We will witness a turning point in market sentiment very shortly. Turning point could be Ethereum spot ETF final approval and listing in major US exchanges for sure, as well as Solana spot ETF applications by BlackRock and Fidelity. Be patient and you will be richly rewarded. Thank you for listening.